Hey guys, it's me, Rosie, and today I'm going to talk to you about my latest obsession, the BeautyBio Rose Quartz Roller tool. When I was looking for a rose quartz roller, or just a roller in general, I didn't know what to look for. I did some heavy research and discovered that BeautyBio actually hand selects the rose quartz from sustainably harvested mines in Brazil. And that was important to me because whenever I'm applying anything on my face, I want to make sure that it's a natural element, not a plastic or a synthetic. As you can see, the tool has dual heads. It comes with a body and face head and an eye head. And I'm just really excited about the tool because you can see the craftsmanship and the detail that went into designing this particular roller. There are so many ways how I use this. First and foremost, I love to contour and sculpt my face. I just start rolling outwards and upwards, and it really is like this mini facelift. And I'm just going to target those areas where I really want to see that definition, like my cheekbones, like my jaw, kind of how you would define all of those areas with your makeup. You're going to be doing it naturally with your tool. Okay, so that's one way I use it. Second way is I love to use this to depuff and get all of those fluids out of my face. So what I'll do is I'll put this in the fridge or even the freezer. And in the mornings where I haven't had a lot of sleep or I've consumed so much sodium the night before, I will grab this out of the fridge and I just start rolling. And what it's going to do is it's going to just flush all of those fluids out from your face and put your face back in place. It's great and super refreshing. And if you didn't know this, rose quartz is naturally cool to the touch. So by putting this in your fridge and just rolling with it, it's going to give you an even more cooling effect. So I recommend storing this in your fridge. And last but certainly not least, I love to use this to seal in my skincare products. I'm going to be using BeautyBio The Radiance. This is an amazing facial oil made with omega and rosehip seed. It's awesome, fast absorbing, lightweight. It's going to give you instant hydration. It's really going to blur those fine lines and really just give me an instant hydration and glow. So I'm just going to apply. So you're going to roll outwards and upwards. You're going to feel your skin really drinking in the oil. Do both sides. And don't forget under your eyes. So you're going to just gently roll outwards just like this. And it's going to feel so soothing, so cool and refreshing, both sides. It's really great for dark circles, really great for puffiness. And the Radiance oil is just going to blur any of those little lines that you see under there. And last but not least, don't forget your forehead. And that's it. To clean your tool, you can just wipe it off with a clean towel or you can run it under warm water. Thanks for watching.